is product D3266 and this is the Croft 6503 ball doorknob on backplate. This is the lock version. This is in the shade dark bronze metal antique. The length of this is 152 millimeters. The width is 41 millimeters. The depth is 7 millimeters. The diameter of the knob is 45 millimeters and the protrusion is 80 millimeters. The compatible locks and latches are all listed on our website under the product description of this ball doorknob, so please see which one is suitable for your door. Croft also send fixtures that match the shade that you have chosen. As you can see, this one is also in the shade dark bronze metal antique, so it beautifully blends in with the product. This is a traditional design which is strong and sturdy, however it is still an elegant doorknob.